Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Annie Stacey here, and I'm back again with another hair growth treatment. So in this video, I'm going to share with you guys a very powerful hair growth spray that you can use on your hair. You do not have to rinse it out. It helps to promote hair growth. It helps to promote healthy scalp and also possibly darken your hair. So please keep watching till the end and I'll see you. So for this treatment, we're going to be using cloves. Yes, cloves. You might have seen them before. Cloves are used in cooking to add flavor and taste to the dish, but it also has amazing health benefits. And in this video, we're going to be focusing on the benefit it has for our hair. So the presence of eugenol in cloves is responsible for most of its benefits, which we are going to be looking at shortly. So I'll just go ahead and add 3 teaspoons of the clove buds into a cup. Yeah, I did measure them out, 3 teaspoons before pouring into the bowl, so I'm sure it's 3 teaspoons. I just like to have a precise measurement because this is the measurement I've been using and it works amazing. So yeah, I measured 3 teaspoons of the clove buds, and then I'm going to add 350 ml of hot water. So yeah, you want to add this measurement. It's not too concentrated and it's very effective, but yeah, so this is the measurement I personally use. You might want to tweak it according to your need or what your hair prefers, but this is how I measure it. So I just pour in the water and stir it up before I'm going to proceed to covering it up. So to cover it, I didn't use the original cover because it's going to pour over, and I wanted to use this foil paper to trap in as much heat as possible so that the cloves can quickly release their content. So yeah, I just wanted to trap the heat in, so that's why I'm using a saran wrap to cover it. So I'll go ahead and just cover the cup up or the tea up, and then let it sit for about 24 to 30 hours. And yeah, and then I'm going to come back and we'll continue this process. So guys, this is the first step. This is how you let it sit, and when we come back, you're going to see how it looks after it has sat for about 30 hours. So it's done. It's the next day. At this time, it's about 30 hours, not just 24 hours. It's about 30 hours that I left it in, and this is how it looks. As you can see, the clove buds have released their content. That's why the water is looking darker or brownish, like dark brownish. You're going to see it clearly soon. So what I do is just going to filter it. I'm just going to filter the cloves because we do not want the buds. We want to use the tea. So yeah, you can go ahead and just maybe add some more water into the remaining clove buds. That's up to you. But yeah, I'll go ahead and just pour the tea into my spray bottle. And just so you know, the eugenol concentration in clove buds is 80 to 90% and 82 to 88% in clove leaves. So you can understand why we decided to use the buds. It has a higher concentration of eugenol, which is the main property in clove that is responsible for most of its benefits. So yeah, that's why you have to also dilute it properly so that you don't have too much concentration of it. But yeah, this works amazing for my hair. I actually really love it. So yeah, this is the tea. It's ready to be used on the hair. So now I'll go ahead and apply the cloves tea on my hair. It helps a lot. So yeah, my hair is clean and washed. So this treatment, you do not have to wash it out. So you want to make sure you're applying it on clean hair. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do that. I know I say this a lot, but when you apply a treatment to your hair, you want to focus on the scalp because that's where your hair grows from. And if you have a healthy scalp, you're sure to have healthy hair. So I'm just going to focus the spray on my scalp before the length of my hair, and I'm going to proceed to massaging it. So this is a perfect time to massage your hair, because I know a lot of us have a hard time just massaging our hair randomly. So yeah, when you apply your treatment, you want to take your time to massage it in, and then I'll go ahead and twist up my hair. So now, looking at the benefits of cloves. Cloves have amazing benefits for the hair. By the way, they smell like cigarettes or tobacco, just so you know. And I found out that the reason it smells like that is because they use it. They use the cloves fragrance in cigarettes. So I guess that's why, because when I first applied it, I was like, why does it smell like cigarette? So yeah, if at all you use it, you're going to realize that's how it smells, and it's not bad at all. So yeah, it has amazing benefits for our hair. So you might want to overlook the smell and just go ahead and enjoy the benefits. So cloves help to minimize hair loss and also help you grow thick and shiny hair. Cloves have antifungal properties which help to fight scalp infections like dandruffs and any other scalp infections you might be suffering from. So we can say that cloves help to improve the overall health of the scalp. So yeah, like I said before, a healthy scalp is sure to get you healthy hair. So yeah, you want to make sure your scalp is healthy all the time. Cloves also helps to stimulate hair growth, prevent premature graying of the hair. It adds shine and softness to the hair, as you can see. So it does have amazing benefits for our hair. So you want to spritz this on your hair and then apply your conditioner and whatnot. So this is like your water-based product. So I apply this on my hair every evening, just spritz my hair, and then that's it. So I always focus on my scalp. Sometimes I do not feel like spritzing it on the length of my hair, but I do make sure I spritz on my scalp in the evening and just massage it in. This is going to help your hair. It's going to do wonders for your hair. Just be consistent. A lot of people are not consistent. That's why they do not see results. Make it your routine and be consistent with it, and you will be so grateful you did. And yeah, so I hope you're going to try this recipe. I hope you enjoy it. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below if you've tried this treatment before, or if you've used cloves at all. Just share with us in the comment section below. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please kindly give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel below, turn on your post notifications so that YouTube will notify you whenever I upload a new video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.